Hello, good morning everybody. I am N.V. Rudrappa, Associate Professor working in the Department of Electronics in the ADB College, the V.V. Sanghas College. So now I am going to explain in the fiber optics communication the topic called fiber losses. So loss, when we speak of a loss, so we are losing something. So in the fiber optic communication system, the information in the form of light is transmitted from one point to the another point. So when it is traveling, so because of the defaults created in the fiber optics, some loss occurs. Means the power width is started at the starting point of a communication, and at the receiving point it is to some extent it is reduced. So definitely during its journey some part of the energy we are losing, and it is nothing but the loss. So the three major causes for the optical fiber losses are the material loss, scattering loss, and bending loss. So let us see the one by one. And as it is given already, the written material, please open it and follow my instructions. So in the first case, the material loss, it is due to the absorption of the light by the fiber material itself. The fiber is being made with a transparent glass or PVC. So this transparent glass material is absorbing some energy, and that leads to this material loss. So this includes absorption with the molecular structure of the material, as well as due to the material impurities. So impurities usually they occur, the purification to the 100% it is not possible. So there are some impurities, they absorb some energy, and the loss is resulted. So the loss due to the atomic structure of the material itself is small, but the loss due to the impurities can be reduced by better manufacturing. So like this, the material loss can be reduced by taking care while we are manufacturing the optical fibers. The next fiber loss is the light scattering losses. So when we speak of the word scattering, when the light falls on some obstacle, it scatters. So in all the directions it scatters. So similarly, when the light is allowed to propagate through the optical fiber, so it contains some deformations or some structural imperfections. So the light is, when it is moving through this, definitely at those imperfections the light scatters. So you can see in the figure, in the core there is a imperfection. So light is passing, and it is to the little extent it is scattered. So that leads to this light scattering loss. So like this, the obstruction means, that is deformations what I mentioned, refers to the density variations. So even while manufacturing, equal density of the material is to be maintained, but however it may occur some density variation as well. So that produces change in the refractive index. Definitely this change in refractive index changes the that is the passing, that is propagation of the light, and the light is scattered in all the directions. So like this, scattering can also be due to the micro bends, that is fiber deformations, and this type of loss has been made negligible with the help of improved manufacturing techniques. So like this, by improving the manufacturing techniques, we can avoid this light scattering loss. So then the third case is the bending loss. The bending loss, as the name itself it indicates, so when this optical fiber is laid down, usually in the underground, so it may cause some bendings. So this bending definitely leads to the loss, because at the bending point definitely it is the occurring point. It acts like a point of obstruction. So then definitely that light hits, and to some extent the light is reflected back, and definitely that leads to the losses. So as shown in this page number 7, that is the figure A and figure B, you can refer and you can see the ray leaves by multiple reflections, that is total internal reflections. So at one point of bending it is scattered. Then in the figure B also you can see the radiation of the light, that is back scattered light. So like this, the bending of a cable, means optical fiber cable, leads to the energy loss, and this is nothing but your bending loss. So like this, the loss through the fibers is of mainly these three types, that is the material loss, scattering loss, and bending loss. So this loss is depending on the wavelength of the light as well, and carefully choosing the operating wavelength, the loss can be minimized. So like this, we can minimize the losses by properly choosing the proper wavelength of the light and then avoiding these imperfections. So like this, the optical fiber losses can be reduced. So simply, the power calculation can be done by using a formula, that is the power loss is nothing but the ratio of power output to the power input. So that is usually taken as in decibels it is expressed. So in decibels, in a standard form, this power loss is logarithm 10 logarithm P naught by Pi, and this loss increases with the length, and hence the loss is given in decibels per kilometer, because as the length of the cable increases, definitely the loss increases. So the overall calculation is expressed in the unit decibels per kilometer. So this is all about the fiber optic losses. So please refer the notes and follow these words, and you will be realizing the concept of fiber losses. Okay, thank you. See you again in the next class.